1, 2, and 3. That wasn't me. That was the. All we're gonna need here is a bit of ketchup, a bit of mayo, and a bit of lemon juice. All right, that's all we're gonna need. So just give us a couple of squirts of ketchup, 3 squirts of ketchup, and then the same for the mayo. So 1, 2, and 3. That wasn't me. That was the. Okay, so we're going to mix it up. Just going to roll that lemon just a little bit, just to let some more juice. And I'm just going to just give it a small little touch. Shake that. Oh yeah, that to me is Christmas. Like, it's so good. Yes. And it's so easy. Like, that's it, guys. Just mix those around. We'll put a bit of brown bread as well, actually. Salt and butter. Put our smoked salmon on the brown bread, and then we'll put some prawns on top of that.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle a snowman's nose.
You guys, there you have it. It's a classic. That, like, prawns and smoked salmon is always going to be a winner. Always. Now, I'm going to try it because I love prawns and I love smoked salmon. Alright guys, so we'll leave it there. Thank you all so much for watching to the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. All I can say is Happy Christmas again. And we'll see you in the next one. I think it'll be out in a day or two for the 9th day of Christmas. Still have no idea what I'm going to do, but that's half the fun, isn't it? Thanks guys. See you soon.